The following material is presented by Alberta Employment Standards employees for educational purposes only and is not intended to be used as a source of legal advice.
The Employment Standards Code is a provincial law describing the minimum standards that must be provided to employees working in Alberta. The code includes the following: minimum wage, hours of work, overtime and overtime pay, general holidays and general holiday pay, vacation and vacation pay, maternity, parental and reservist leave, termination of employment, restrictions on the employment of employees younger than 18, payment of earnings and employment records. There are three important things employers need to know about Alberta employment standards. The first is that minimum standards cannot be avoided. This means that the code has a rule that prevents people from opting out of the core standards, either directly or indirectly. There are cases when employers and employees agree to benefits that are greater than what is provided by the code. These agreements are enforceable under the employment standards legislation. And when a business changes ownership and the employees continue to work for that business, the code considers the employment to be continuous. With few exceptions, the code applies to all employees and employers in Alberta. Most employees have full coverage of earnings under the code, whether they are considered full-time, part-time, casual, piece workers, commissioned, students or salaried. There are several groups of workers who fall outside of the code's jurisdiction, including employees who work out of the province either interprovincially or internationally. If an employee works in another province or country, the labour laws of that province or country may apply. Within Canada, the Canada Labour Code applies to employees who fall under federal jurisdiction, so the Alberta Code does not apply. Industries in this category include airports and air transportation, interprovincial transportation, chartered banks, broadcasting and telecommunications, railways, postal service, grain elevators, shipping and navigation, canal, ferries, tunnels and bridges, interprovincial international pipelines, and uranium mining and atomic energy.